So good evening. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Zap by checkmarks to find security vulnerabilities on a test website. I'll demonstrate different types of attacks and how to fix them. So let's get started. So first is pumunta tayo sa Zap file. Then click the download. Then ito yung pinili ko yung Windows installer. So na-download ko na. Then ito yung yung napili kong i-attack na website, yung test PHP. So we will scan a deliberately vulnerable website called ito testphp.vulnweb. And so punta tayo sa may Zap. Then click natin yung scan start scan. Nandito yung scan. Click start. You can design the Windows previous site. Click on top again. Then automatic scan tayo. Then paste natin yung HTTP. So bago ko simulan, Zap will now analyze the site for security vulnerabilities such as SQL injections, cross-site scripting, XSS, and broken authentication. So show scam process and analyzing vulnerabilities. So check natin yung vulnerabilities dito. Check natin Ajax. So spray ko na daw. Size. So let's attack this content. Waiting natin, processing. Failed to connect exam supported using traditional. Okay. This time attacking yours discovered by spider. Filter Firefox is a browser available supported. Firefox. So here's Zap has detected a potential SQL injection mark. This means the site is not properly validating database inputs, which could allow attackers to manipulate queries. To fix SQL injection, always um, use statement and parameterize queries. Similarly for XSS, ensures user input in properly sanitized. So when I stop, then standard mode, attack mode. Scan all nodes, change attack mode. Remember changes. Marunong magkatak na itong URL attack. So, ayaw niya. Bakit kaya? Stop attack, manually attack. Atakin dapat man. Launch browser, Firefox. Ito, Firefox. So, try na. This provide was now not found. Launch browser. Chrome na lang. So, in this, Chrome is controlled by automatic software. So, yun. Na ano natin. Ni. So, yun. Tina-check natin dito sa may browser. Ajax. Ito, authenticate web scanner. Vulnerability. So, text mo. Tama ba? Ganito ba? The site na Ajax. So, I will demonstrating types of vulnerabilities detected in ZAP. ZAP identifies unsanitized database queries that could be manipulated. Example attack yung or, tapos 1 equals 1. Then, the solution is always use prepared statement and parameterize queries like $stmt. Then, cross-site scripting yung XSS ZAP flags page that allows malicious scripts to be injected. Example, yung script alert XSS attack. And solution, sanitize user input using HTML encoding. Yung echo HTML special cars input. Tas inputs UTF-8. Tas yung cross-site request forgery or yung CSRF is ZAP detects missing CSRF protection of forms. Then, yung example attacks, malicious link auto submit a form from an authenticated user session. So, yung solution naman ng CSRF token is yung input type equals hidden name CRF token value tapos yung PHP echo session CSRF token tapos yung close ng PHP. Then yung security misconfigurations, ZAP finds exposed directories or missing security headers. Then yung solution is yung use proper security header set X frame option deny. Then by using ZAP, we identified common vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, XSS, CSRF, and security misconfiguration. To prevent this, always follow secure coding practices, validate user input, and enable security headers. Oh, thank you.